We will begin with the preview of top 4 features included in this release, and then I will dive a little deeper into each one of those. First, we have made improvements to Collaborative SLAM. Intel optimized Collaborative SLAM solution is a visual SLAM-based algorithm which provides high accuracy location precision with map merging capabilities. This release includes new functionality as well as additional performance improvements of the Collaborative SLAM. Second, we have also extended the performance optimizations of the Point Cloud library. Third, we have added the functionalities to device onboarding and over-the-air updates. And we are introducing the VDA 5050 client for interaction between device and edge server over standard communication interface. Finally, we have added the evaluation version of the third-party commercial SLAM solution from Kudan. You can experiment with Kudan SLAM algorithm by downloading the Kudan solution from Intel EI for AMR SDK. Now let's dig into these Q3 features one by one. Collaborative SLAM. This release contains a combination of new performance enhancements and newly added functionality to Intel Collaborative SLAM solution. With regard to performance enhancements of Collaborative SLAM, a major portion of the featured extraction module is now optimized for Intel hardware. With these optimizations, workload is offloaded from CPU to integrated GPU and were implemented using the C4Metal programming model and OneAPI Level 0 interface. In addition, the network traffic between the tracker and the server of the Collaborative SLAM is much improved. In terms of the new functionality, Collaborative SLAM is now integrated with the Intel EI for AMR fast mapping solution. As a result, Collaborative SLAM supports functionalities such as loop closure, map merging, 2D occupancy grid, and 3D voxel map representation. It also includes the support for UROC and KITI datasets. Let's move on to Point Cloud library, or PCL optimizations. Previous releases of Intel EI for AMR SDK contained several Intel optimizations to the core functions of PCL. The Q3 release includes optimizations to 3 additional core functions in the PCL library, including optimizations to OCT3, ANN, KNN search modules, optimizations to voxel grid and pass-through filtering modules, and lastly, optimizations to MLS and KD tree search modules. Based on the benchmarking data we have collected internally, you can see the performance gains of each of these modules. Moving on to the secure device onboarding and over-the-air updates. This feature is based on open standard fidoalliance.org. It contains a fully automated secure device onboarding process together with the features such as the update of firmware and operating system through the ThingsBoard IoT platform, orchestration of robot applications, and software updates for multiple containers using the Intel Smart Edge Open, and end-to-end demonstration of this automated device onboard functionality with fleet management reference implementation. Let's shift to the next feature, VDA 5050 client. This feature is designed to the VDA 5050 version 2.0 specification. We have used the VDA 5050 client capability in our reference implementation to demonstrate the pre-processing of incoming order message or order update messages to multiple decision points from ThingsBoard. Rerouting of those messages to the robot's navigation stack for further processing. And finally, sending the status update from the nav2 stack back to the ThingsBoard. This feature also has provision to scale with other actions to fit additional customer use cases. Last but not least, the Intel EI for AMR Q3 release includes an evaluation version of commercial-grade localization and mapping software, or SLAM, from our ecosystem partner Kudan. As a result of close collaboration between Kudan and Intel, Kudan's visual SLAM software is hardware accelerated to take advantage of Intel architecture. It delivers enhanced performance and leaves more headroom in the main compute for additional workloads that can be executed in parallel. We invite you to download the Q3 release of Edge Insights for Autonomous Mobile Robots SDK, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions through our community support or Intel sales. Together, let's go build the Intel robots using Intel hardware and Intel EI for AMR SDK.